I'm a little nervous. This is my first time ordering food in English.
Don't worry, just listen and copy.
Hi, welcome. How many people?
Sorry.
How many people?
Oh, 2, please.
Here's your table. Can I get you something to drink?
Can I have some water, please?
Still or sparkling?
Sorry, still or what?
Still or sparkling water?
Oh, still, please.
I'll have an iced tea.
Great, be right back. Here are your drinks. Want something else?
I do have the pesto pasta. Wait, is that spicy?
No, not spicy. It's creamy.
Good. I'll take that. And the Caesar salad to start.
Got it? And for you?
The grilled salmon, please. What does it come with?
Rice or mashed potatoes?
Mashed potatoes.
Coming right up.
This place is actually nicer than I expected.
Yeah, I thought it would be more casual.
Same. I just hope the food is as good as the atmosphere.
If not, at least the chairs are comfortable.
Salmon with mashed potatoes.
That's me.
Pesto pasta with salad.
Thanks.
Anything else?
No thanks.
Enjoy?
How's the salmon?
Really good. Yours.
So good. Really creamy.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Could we see the dessert menu?
Of course. Here you are.
Just a cappuccino for me.
Ice cream for me.
Sure thing.
So what are you doing this weekend?
Not much. Just relaxing.
Same, I need a quiet weekend after this week.
Good idea.
Ice cream and cappuccino. Enjoy.
Excuse me. Can we pay?
All together or separate?
Separate bills, please.
Here you go.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks for coming in. Have a great evening.
Bye.